Well, syempre when people come into Fern, they come into iFern, ang habol nila pera, no? They will not join kung mayaman na sila, or they will not join kung happy na sila sa negosyo nila or sa income nila. May hinahanap sila. That's why napunta sila sa iFern. When leaders, no, or networkers invite you, no, open-minded ka ba? Magkape tayo, no? When they say that and you say yes, it means may hinahanap ka. So nag-join ka na. So ngayon, income yung umpisa, no? You start with the income. And alam mo, ang negosyo, buhay kasi. Kailangan innovate ka ng innovate, no? When we started, wala naman kaming Jordan Club, wala naman kaming Louis Vuitton Club, wala naman Rolex Club, walang Toy Club, no? Ngayon, may iFern Mini Ladies Club, merong Mercedes-Benz Boys Club. So we keep innovating or creating clubs because clubs are the simplest way para maibagsak mo sa kanila na hindi lang pera to. Kailangan baguhin mo yung anyo mo, baguhin mo yung pananaw mo. You need to change the way you see the world. You need to change how you look. That's the time that people will see that you're now different. That you're no longer the person that they knew 10 years ago. You're no longer the person they knew 5 years ago.